Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be telling you about Thinkific versus Teachable. Which platform to choose for the right courses. The link to the Thinkific and the Teachable will be in the description below. Let's dive into the video without wasting any further time. So step 1 is to evaluate your design and customization needs. First up, you need to decide how much control you want over to look for your school. If you want a platform that is super quick to set up with beautiful simple templates out of the box, Teachable is a fantastic choice. However, if you want deep customization, drag and drop website builder feature and truly white label experience that matches your brand perfectly, Thinkific takes the win. So if you compare the checkout and the payment processes, how you guys get paid is a huge factor. Teachable has a massive advantage. If you absolutely hate dealing with taxes, their built-in Teachable payment system automatically handles EU VAT and taxes collection for you, which is a lifesaver. Thinkific, on the other hand, connects directly to your own Stripe or PayPal account. You get your money instantly, but you are responsible for managing your own taxes, which is a pain in the ass. Just want to add a cherry on the top. I try to get Thinkific free trial account. It says it costs you $0 at the moment, but it will eventually cost you $50 or $99 after a month. But once I try to get the subscription for the get the free trial for the Thinkific, they charge me around $99. It means that that's a bit fishy and catchy, because they literally just said it will cost you $0, and which makes me lose complete trust on the Thinkific. And whereas the Teachable, it works perfectly fine for me. And if you're choosing between the platform, you also have to consider about the student experience and the community, in which the Teachable does not support basic lesson comments, but it leans much heavier into a streamlined, restriction-free video and text learning experience. Looking at the pricing and transaction, I've already told you, but this is where the math comes in. If you are just starting out on a budget, Thinkific is amazing because they do not charge transaction fees on any of their plan, but that's not technically true because they did on mine. But they label it as they don't charge anything, but they did on mine, and because you know I have to share my own personal experience with you guys. Whereas Teachable does charge a transaction fee on their free on basic plan, but they make up for it by offering a world-class and built-in affiliate marketing center to help you drive more sales. Make your final choice. It comes to choose Teachable if you want the easier setup built-in taxes handling and amazing iOS and a powerful affiliate system to help you sell. And my personal take is go with the Teachable. That's pretty much it. I hope you find this very helpful.